For those unaware, Live Golf has been taking over the golf world by storm. Since its inception, it has been a thorn in the PGA Tour's side by signing their highest talent level players, offering money to them that the PGA Tour could never, and making the game of golf more fun and non-traditional. Whether you believe in what Live Golf is doing or not, all in all, the Live Golf movement has been doing something good for the game. It is getting people involved and getting eyes on the game that weren't there before. In a shocking turn of events this morning, it was announced that Live Golf and the PGA Tour have agreed to a merger along with the DP World Tour in Europe. This coming after months of litigation, these three entities will now be all under the same banner. Before the video starts, guys, we are on the road to 1,000 subscribers. And when we hit that mark, I want to give away a Scotty Cameron putter to one of you. So if you're watching this, please make sure to share it with your friends and like the video so the channel can reach its goal and you can win it. Thank you and enjoy. The PGA Tour Commissioner Jay Monahan said, after 2 years of disruption and distraction, this is a historic day for the game we all know and love. He also went on to say they were going down their path, we were going down ours. And after a lot of introspection, you realize all this tension for the game is not a good thing. Several players have responded with positive and negative comments. According to ESPN, one player said, "It's insanity. The Live Tour was dead in the water. It wasn't working. Now you're throwing them a life jacket? Is that the moral of the story? Just always to take the money?" I personally think that it's good for the game. I think that if you want to watch serious 4-day golf and you want to be super into that, like myself, then that's what you can watch. I mean, the majors will still be there. And I also think that if they keep the same sort of format with the Live Tour, maybe that's something that you do and you go to in person when you want to have a good time and go watch some of the best players in the world play. I think that there's a balance here that is good for the game. I'm interested to see how they do it. I'm interested to see how the players respond. And yeah, I think it's great. Now listen, on the back end, there's a lot of things that still need to be taken care of. And I plan to put a longer in-depth video with all these retrospective events in it and follow the information when more of it comes out. But I want to hear from you guys. Please leave a comment down below and let's have a discussion on, is the Live and the PGA Tour combining good for golf, or is this something that golf will regret in the long run? Thank you all for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for your chance to win a Scotty Cameron putter. See you guys.